The incident, caught on the home's CCTV, captures the two men lifting the fridge up the stairs, and as they approach the top of the stairs, the man at the bottom misses a step, causing the refrigerator to come tumbling down and losing one side of the door. Given the weight imbalance, it seemed inevitable. And now, I'm no expert, but it seems to me that the guy at the bottom had to put in twice as much effort as the one at the top, and on top of that, the fridge was not on a dolly. Perhaps the delivery guys could have avoided this incident if the refrigerator had been tilted toward the stairs and had been appropriately strapped.